Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of Netflix. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that, in this page we click on clear cache. Then you can wait a moment to turn off you can turn off your phone, and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.